little curvy thingy. Yeah, straight one there.
Find it. It might be in there.
I'll use it 2mm.
Anyways, how's it going? Yeah, no, this is very complicated. Taking the intake manifold off was a pain. Nice manual. It's gotta get nice and dirty.
Yeah.
Yes, it's very fun. I love doing this. I love working on cars, woo.
Yeah, especially German cars.
German cars, they make it very easy to work on.
Yeah, they're not overcomplicated.
Not at all. Right now we're just struggling with a hose clamp, trying to get that off. Taking the intake manifold off, like I said, that was the easiest part. Just
Yeah, for sure.
very easy. We had to take the high pressure fuel pump off because that was like holding it back. We couldn't get the clamp off. And then we dropped the cam follower. And it's kind of new, but I guess it's kind of old too. I guess we're just gonna replace it because it has some sand all over it. Yeah. Yeah. I'll update you when I get the either like turbo off or the head off or something off, and then I'll show you the pistons. Or
The turbo. The hard one.
what do you think?
Because they made a really easy access bolt.
Yeah.
Right
See
there.
this bolt?
It's surrounded
We
by
have.
shields.
I have the 3 bolts off, but there's a 4th, and you probably can't see it, but it's down there somewhere. And it's hard to get to. That is also a pain to get off. Gotta probably trace this back and then unplug it. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
I should really leave this on.
Nope, we can't.
Why not?
I have a tailpipe.
Yeah, no, but what if I taking this off?
I have a tailpipe to put on.
Oh, yeah.
Callus. Yeah. My dad's like, oh, you're not gonna make this thing cool. I'm like, okay.
Dump it. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Anyways, I'll update you later. Okay, bye.
Bye.